Good evening, all. It's Monday night. This is Shay Horowitz, ShogunTrading.com. This is our free weekly newsletter. We talk about market conditions, basically. A while back, I talked about the S&P 500 consolidating and giving us a wedge-shaped consolidation, and I told you to look for a big trend. And the trend happened. We had a really, really nice downtrend, and we kept on with the downtrend, and I gave you a bunch of trades to take advantage of the downtrend, and we did extremely well on this trade. And then the market bounced back up because of, markets bounce and political reasons. And then the market went into consolidation. And for the past few weeks, I've been pretty blah, I wasn't excited at all about the market. And I told you basically stay away from the market. It's noise and it's dirty and it's very choppy and it's not going anywhere. And I told you to stay away from it. And for someone like me that publishes advice, to tell you to not do anything is very difficult because a lot of people become impatient. A lot of people want to trade, but you can't. Sometimes the market is not conducive for trading. Sometimes you just have to stay away. Sometimes you have to just sit on the sidelines. So the market goes through stages. The market goes through a consolidation stage, then a trend stage, and then it goes to a noise stage where it's impossible to trade. You're going to get stopped out. And then it goes into consolidation. Once it goes in consolidation, it goes into a trend again. It breaks out and goes into a trend again. And then it goes into noise and goes to consolidation, and the cycle continues. Your job as a trader is to always look for those consolidations. Always look for the trends themselves and not trade the noise, not trade inside the consolidation or inside the noise. It's just a sure recipe for losing money and grief. That's about it. So we have the S&P 500 that's actually consolidating right now. Is it done consolidating? No. I do think it'll go a few more days. It's got to reach that tip of the wedge in order to give us a nice trend. Is it going to go up? Is it going to come down? Frankly, I don't know. We are in a downtrend. You can see all the moving averages are pointing down right now. But we're also seeing quite a few stocks that are looking to pop. I released quite a few trades today for our swing trading newsletter subscribers on the long side. Possibly for the market to come back on the long side. The thing about consolidation is you don't want to guess. You don't want to get in front of the market. You don't want to try to command the market. You don't want to be ahead of everybody. This is not investing. This is trading. Trading is all about following the market. Investing is all about being ahead of the market. Being ahead of the market, sometimes you have to be very, very patient and wait for a long, long time and lose a lot of money as an investor. As a trader, you have to wait for the market. The market, you have to hitch a ride on the market. You're just hitching a ride. You're a boat sailing on a river. That's what it is. You're not trying to go up the river. You want to go with the river. And the river right now is basically stopped. We're in a lake, and we want to wait for the river to start moving, and then we want to just jump on it and take a ride with it. And in order to do that, we have to stay neutral. As much as I want to have an opinion and give you predictions as far as where I think the market is going to go, you want to refrain from predictions. You want to refrain from opinions. You want to stay as neutral as possible, and you want to say, you know what, I'm going to be there prepared to trade when the market takes off. When the market decides on a direction, I want to be there with it. That's really the best way to go about it. So this is S&P 500. Let me show you the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see basically the same thing. Also, from consolidation to a big trend to noise, consolidation again. Is it ready? No. I still think we have some room to go. There's basically your support resistance level, 12,200 and 12,576, or 12,600. But I do think we have a few more days of consolidating. We are going to start trading this week. We are going to start trading a little bit on the long side. And if the market picks the short side, we're going to follow with the short side. Our plan basically is to trade reversals on the long side and continuations on the short side. There are some stocks that are still continuing the downtrend, and we'll be trading them on the short side. But there's quite a few stocks out there that are moving into the bounce area, the reversal area, and we'll be looking to trade them on the long side. Anyway, that's it for this week. Hope you were able to weather the storm the last few weeks. Hope you didn't get hurt when the market went into noise. Hope you listened to us, and look forward to the next trend. Anyway, have a great week. I'll talk to you next week, and take care.